Cool. So you had to watch this video about using color rods, which they call Cuisenaire rods. Sometimes they're called color strips. And then later, I've got some problems. So in this one here, let's get a new question. I want to write a multiplication equation based on the color strips below, where brown is 8, multiplication means groups of. So if this is 8 and there's 4 below, those red must be worth 2. So then red is worth 2, so I see 4 groups of 2 that equals 8, is what I was hoping that you would see there. And then I have another one that's a little more complicated, where I have a whole bunch of possibilities. And here I say write 2 multiplication equations on the color strips below, where white is 1 and multiplication means groups of. So if white is 1, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Orange must be 10, and yellow must be 5. So if I wanted to describe yellow and orange together, I could say 2 groups of 5 equals 10. And when we do these activities with kids on paper, we would say 2 yellows, 2 groups of yellow equals an orange. But I was hoping for the number version of that. It says enter text here, which makes it even more confusing. So on the test, some people wrote things like 2 times yellow equals orange, which the computer would mark wrong, but I would regrade as correct. So this didn't end up being very clear on how to answer there, so my apologies. This is another where I'm trying to make technology do what I do physically in the classroom, and sometimes it's just hard. So I just wanted to clarify that problem there, which was on the previous test, the timed part. All right, thank you for your patience and tolerance and hanging out with me.